Coming up, I'm going to share with you an AI photo app that decided to niche down instead of competing with all the other AI image generator apps. And it's making over $500,000 a month. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of AppMasters.com. And today I want to talk to the app founder out there that is too afraid of niching down and why I think it's so important, especially in this crowded app space that we have now, and how this particular app has been able to generate over $500,000 a month, niching down first, then providing all the other features that the AI image generator apps have as well. So let's get into it. All right, here's the app. It is called Photo Revive AI. Pretty cool name, right? Photo Revive AI, and it's what you would think it does. Convert photo to video, AI photo enhancer, family album maker, and you can take an old photo, and I'm going to share with you at the end of the video how well it does and some of the cool features, so stay tuned for that. But I love how this app decided to niche down first into Photo Revive versus creating another image, photo to video, or text to image app, right? So it's making, according to our partners at AppMagic.rocks, it's making about 300,000. When we look at Sensor Tower, it's making about 500,000. And so when we look at AppFigures, it's also making $500,000 a month. Now, not one platform is better than the other. I'm just showing you all the data of the different platforms in terms of sales. So for me, I'm going to go with 500,000 right now, since 2 out of 3 said it's 500,000. Okay, so let's go into the funnel and the flow. And I personally like to do it like this. So if you guys prefer to see it on a Canva where you can get access to all of this, I'm going to share it with you. But if you want the entire PDF or the flow, just use the link below and we will send that to you as well. All right, here it is. Bring faded memory moments back to life. So you guys can see that. And they're very seasonal because at the time I took all these screenshots, it was during Christmas. So unlock Christmas blessings, so forth. And then turn ideas into visual stories. So rather than catering to the text to image, text to video audience, they decided to niche down with their app name and their screenshots and also still provide the same features. That's why I really love it, right? Like you can be niche in the very beginning, but still provide the same features that the other apps do, but you want to be known for something, right? So you have this, hit continue, and you see this paywall. I like this paywall. Don't think it has any trials. Doesn't look like it has any trials right now. So there's no trials, which I'm a fan of too. For certain apps, it does work pretty well. And as you can see that there's this basic plan, 240 credits per day, and then 570. So if you have an AI app and you're worried about AI costs, this is one way of doing it. They've done pretty well with this. And then the cool thing was, hey, if I X out of the paywall, they'll show me a discount on their pro plan where it's only like 95% off. And so I like charging a little bit more on this plan so you can see this and then getting it to a higher price point. Now, a couple of things I want to highlight in the paywall. We have seen that per day pricing tends to work better on the web. I haven't seen a lot of apps use it on the mobile side of things, but I would be testing this right now and show per day pricing because 13 cents a day is not bad at all, right? $50 a year, all right, $47.99. Maybe it's kind of expensive, but 13 cents, I can afford 13 cents, okay? So I kind of like the per day pricing. The other thing I want to point out is the app shows you right here, this is hovering as a freemium user. So this is hovering. When I tap on that, it forces me to log in. And I really like that. So I know a lot of you guys will ask people to log in first or during the onboarding. We've seen that not work very well, right? So give them incentive. Like now that I can get 92% off, I'm like, okay, I might do this. Now they're giving me 92% off with this pricing. So this is the higher pricing that we saw right here, $89.99, and they're giving us 92% off. Not much of a discount, by the way, but the messaging is interesting that they put it here. Now, you might have missed something on the paywall, but I'm only going to save it for our appfounders.co community because I don't want it to not work. I really like the idea. If you hit rewind, you'll notice it, but I really like the idea. So if you're part of the community, you can get access to this video. If you're not, I'm sorry, go check it out or just hit rewind and see if you can find anything on the paywall that seems interesting. All right. So I'm sorry, I just recorded the App Founders Only part, but I want to show you something interesting. So I've already signed up. I tapped this little GIF icon. It's very interesting. And they show me this. And I really like this idea, right? I logged in, so I got the 50 already, but share creation, you can hit start, enable notifications. You can hit start on that. So this is all rewarded stuff. And I really love this idea of, you can't enforce it, right? Like I don't have to follow you on Instagram, but this will take me to their Instagram page where I can get a follow. So this is a great way for users to start using your product, which Apple loves as well. Start using your product, and then potentially try to upgrade at a later date. But it's a great way to give away some free credits and have them start to use your app. All right. So I really like this idea. All right. I'm going to go through the app itself right now. This is the AI photo section, and you can see some of the features. One tap restore, AI enhance, text to photo. Right. I know a lot of you guys are building text to photos, but I wanted to create this because we have a very similar app, and I wanted to see what the top app was doing in this space. All right. This is the AI video side again, photo to video, and then text to video. And I wanted to put this app into play and see how well it would do in restoring an old photo of ours and see if it works. So these are my parents, and I hope they don't mind me sharing this on YouTube. These are my parents, a lot younger back in the day, but I want to see how well this would restore. And so I hit and generate, and it's 35 credits, right? I had 50 just for signing up. I love that they're getting me to try to upgrade while they have a time limit on them doing stuff. So I love this, right? Now I can remove watermark, which I'll have to pay for, but look at the difference. This is the before, this is the after. I really, really think it's cool. I'm like, wow, they did make it look a lot more vibrant, and it doesn't look so AI automated. And I love, especially with photo apps, I love having watermarks because it's a great way to get more users. That viral component that you guys keep asking me about, this is an interesting way of trying to go quote unquote viral or create a word of mouth system that can attract more users just through something that they created for free within their app. So I can save and then share it to other social media platforms. Here's the full image. Really well done. So they also allow you to take this photo and apply a video template on that. And so I have that. So I tried that as well. And you can see right after I created two things that I enjoying our app. Your 5-star keeps us motivated. I love the messaging here. If I hit 5 stars, it takes me straight into this review. I'll create a link that you guys can use that will show you how to actually take users straight into the review, writing a review versus leaving a rating, right? I would personally just let them put a 5-star because I'd rather have the ratings than the written, but it's up to you guys. If you want to do the written one, I just don't think people are willing to rate as much, but here you can do both, right? You can just rate it and hit send, or you can put a written review. So maybe this way is better to get written reviews. Okay. That was it. A really cool app that I showed you has all the features of normal AI image generator apps. So if you got one of those, I wanted to create this video to show you the value, the potential of starting niche. Now, I know this niche has some search volume, so you want to kind of look at that. But like I always say, if you got a meditation app, start with deep breathing. Start more niche so that you can start get that early traction, early revenues, early ASO traction, and then start expanding, because you can still have all the features that any AI image, AI photo generator app has, but the features and the audience you're catering to, probably more interesting. So don't be afraid of starting niche. This app is already making $500,000 a month. All right. And if you want access to that secret, it's already available. Just hit rewind and watch it. But if you want access to me sharing the secret paywall strategies that I think will be effective in the future, and I do not want Apple to start rejecting it, go check out appfounders.co, a community of over 100 app founders helping each other out. We meet twice a month. We share a lot of great content. We try to help each other out. We do a lot of tests. We share those tests within that community. So go check it out, appfounders.co. And if you want access to this entire flow without the App Founders Co exclusive content, well, use a link in the description and we'll send you these slides for free so that you don't have to download the app. Just copy what we have in there. All right, till next time, I'll see you on the next video.